Hello, hello, hello to all of my wonderful Leos. Hey, Leos. Hope you all are having a great day today. I know that you are because that's the intention you set. Listen, Leos, what is wrong with people? I don't even know where to start. I really don't. Anyway, let me tell you. I'm telling you, listen. If there's one word I have for you all, it's unbothered. I'm telling you, there is something happening where people are trying their best to get up under y'all skin, but it's not going to work. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. You hear me, Leos? Yeah, okay. Leos are caring, optimistic. You all are natural leaders. You're kind and protective. You're loyal. You're honest, vivacious. Yes, can't help for people to pay attention when you walk in a room. You're creative. You're passionate. You're generous, warm-hearted, cheerful, and humorous. You know, people know that you all are funny. Really make people laugh. Like the complete and total package, right? So when you're dealing with people who have issues with you all, and they look at you and they say, what can we do? What can we do? What can we do to get up under Leo's skin? Because I heard something about another person today and I just shook my head. I said to myself, self, why do people even bother? Like, why? Seriously, why do people even bother attacking the sun when the sun is giving them life, right? Let's get into your reading. We're going to talk about the number 20 also, because we already know what the number 11 means, but what does the number 20 mean? 20, because 20 carries its own special vibration, right? Most High God in the universe, please give me a special reading for my wonderful, wonderful, exuberant, fantastic, fabulous, all that and then some Leos in every area of their lives, specifically in area of power and intellect, also in areas of spirituality and where they need to take action, also in areas of money and wealth, and also in areas of creativity and emotions. What information do we have for my wonderful Leos? Why do people even bother? Seriously. Let me tell you, Leo, you don't have any competition. So don't even let people drag you down to the gutter with them. Unbothered. Look at this. Legacy wealth. I need you all to really be gentle with yourself and really be patient. Seriously, the hangman. Relax. Just relax. You don't have any competition. You really don't. You really don't have any competition. The runway has been cleared. You don't have any competition. You shouldn't be fearful of anything. Freedom from fear. Yes. You shouldn't be fearful of anything. So many wonderful things are happening right now for you. And people are making, some people are making slick, underhanded comments. Some of your exes are really, really doing some things. Doing the most. Looking like a bunch of fools. Talking about you. But guess what? You're unbothered. You don't really care what they're saying. They still can't touch you. As hard as they try, they still can't touch you. Because look at you, creating legacy wealth. They can't touch you. Can't touch this. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, they cannot touch you, right? So I need you to really, really stay focused. There's no need to see the glass half empty when you have an option to see it half full, right? So the number 20, let's talk about that for just a second. Let's change your perspective on things, right? Especially when it comes to relationships and when it comes to love, like romantic, intimate relationships, family relationships, those kind of things. You are experiencing an awakening right now. We're stepping into the vibration of the number 20, the awakening, which brings new purpose and new goals to every area of your life. No reason to look down into this black hole like life is just hopeless. Of course, I'm not talking to every Leo, right? Talking to people who allow people to get to them. But that's not you, right? You haven't allowed people to get to you. They tried real hard, but your perspective is a whole lot different. You're on a whole nother level. So you got up from this spot right here. You turned around and saw all this expansion right here. Look at all these stars. Luminaries. Shining bright. Yes. Yeah. At this point, like I said, you're unbothered. You don't care what people think. Look at this. Life is in full harmony. Yeah. However that looks for you. Woman, woman, man, man, woman, man, man, woman, family. But your life is in harmony. It is in perfect balance. Right? No more thinking about old relationships. They're gone for a reason. I want you all to start also paying attention to your vivid dreams. A lot of people are having very vivid dreams. You know, colors are more vibrant now. Everything seems to be different. You're starting to feel spirits around you, but those spirits are protecting you. This right here shows me how generous you are. Yeah, you're a very generous person. Like I said before, you know, people create all kinds of, you know, reasons in their minds for why they're jealous of you all when they could really be standing in their own power. That's why I want you all to stay focused. I do. I really, really want you to stay focused because there's always going to be people who have an issue. And you're givers by default, right? You're a giver. You have this free flow of money coming through your hands. You're prosperous. You're generous. Your life is in harmony. You have this inner peace. And there are people around you who want that same inner peace, but for some reason, because I'm just going to say it, some people just want your life, but they don't realize what you had to go through and what it takes for you to be who you are every single day. Even if you gave them your shoes, if you gave them your dress or your suit or your car or your house, they still would not be you. They would not know how to operate in your shoes. That's why I need you all to stay focused. Really stay focused. Sometimes people look at you and they say they want your life, but can they handle it? Absolutely not. It takes work being you. Right, Leo? You know what we're talking about, right? Yeah, of course. This is how you gain an advantage. Through prayer and meditation. Yeah, you start having some conversations with some people in the spirit. And they're too distracted. They have you on their mind all the time. Yeah, that's how you gain the advantage. Keep on meditating. Speaking to them in the spirit. You don't need to approach anybody. You don't need to go from 0 to 1,000. You're the spiritual people who take action. And look at you, feeling great about life. This is you, feeling great about life. Yeah. Focusing on the things that really matter. A lot of you all are entrepreneurs, visionaries, leaders. Yes. Look at that lion in the background. Look at you holding that torch. Like, I'm stomping through this thing. With my fabulous self, with my awesome self, with my wonderful self, right? I'm not putting out my flame. As a matter of fact, my flame is burning even brighter. Yes, feeling great about life. Look, the people who have tried to cause all kinds of conflict and confusion by seeing you as competition only burn themselves. They burned that bridge. So now you let that bridge stay burned while you keep on ascending. Okay? Yeah. You keep on going higher and higher and higher. Lots of prospects, room for advancement. Look at this. And you have double strength, double the amount of strength that you had before. Look how you're looking at them. Dare I say peasants. Yes, Leo, look at them. All crowding around to come see you, right? But they have no more access to you because they burned their own bridge. Yes, it's happening. I want you to see it, Leo. I want you to see it. They burned their own bridge. Yeah. So, again, for those of you who are anticipating this, just remain persistent. Right. You have the foresight. You see the expansion. You see all the prospects. You see the advancement. You see the people who have burned the bridges in your life. Right. You also see the people who were meant to go on this journey with you. So I need you to continue to be unapologetically great, unapologetically amazing. But most of all, I want you all to remain unbothered. There's no reason for you to even be concerned with people who see you as competition, because they're not your competition. You're your only competition. That's what I have for you, Leos. Have a great day. Bye.